This video will introduce you to Your Guide to the Employment Standards Act. It's an online resource that was created by the Government of Ontario to help you understand the Employment Standards Act and learn about your rights in the workplace. It cannot, however, replace legal advice if you are in a situation that requires it. Let's have a look. First, I'll type Your Guide to the ESA Ontario in my search bar. Here it is. This is the home page of the guide. You can see here that it's a Government of Ontario site. Let's click on the table of contents to see the topics included. All the topics in the guide are listed in the table of contents. You can select any topic to read about it. Let's read about minimum wage. At the top of the web page, you can see what is included in the topic. For this topic, minimum wage, there are 5 subtopics. You can click on any of them to read the information, or simply scroll down to read what you need. To get back to the table of contents, click here. Each topic is organized in a similar way. Take some time to explore the topics and learn about your rights and obligations in the workplace.